Pilipinas, gising ka na ba? You're with me, Binks, and this is Sound Connections. Ngayon ay nasa Green Hills tayo dahil naimbitahan tayo ng Viva Records para sa album launch ni Ogie Alcacid. O ano, ready na ba kayo? Tara, kita natin!
Aking mahal, iniisip kita.
Pilipinas, gising ka na ba? Ito po si Ogie Alcacid and you are on Sound Connection.
Laging kasama, Ogie.
It's different in the sense that, well, it still has the love songs, but meron mga fast songs. I have about 5 duets here, and they're mid-tempo songs, so hindi lang basta ballad. So, iba-ibang klaseng mga.
You're just a prayer away, no matter where I am.
What inspires me are my music fans, because I know that they're looking for beautiful love songs. So each time I write, I'm inspired to write a love song for them. Something that they'll identify with, something that they'll fall in love with. I think the most important thing is dedication, passion, love your work. Rome was not built in one day, so you gotta be patient. Just enjoy it. Alam mo, tatakasan ka lang ng success kung hindi mo na siya ginusto eh. You have to want it. Bad enough that it hurts. At the same time, be thankful of all the blessings that come your way. Don't just get disappointed, because disappointments happen for a reason.
Kahit na nag-aalinlangan ka.
Got a new album. It's called Lumilipad at Viva Records, and it's got 14 beautiful love songs. My carrier single is Minamahal Kita, and I hope you get a copy.
Aking mahal, iniisip kita, minimithi na ikaw ang laging kasama. O giliw ko, hindi magmamaliw ang pagmamahal na inalay ko sa'yo. Ang puso ko ay para lang sa'yo. Pinapangako kong hindi ako magbabago. Kahit na nag-aalinlangan ka, hindi maglalaho ang pagsinta. Minamahal kita, ikaw at walang iba. Ang pag-ibig na nadarama, sana ay pagbigyan. Ang tangi kong hiling na magpakailanman ika'y maging akin. maglalaho ang pagsinta. Manali ka, minamahal kita, ikaw at walang iba, tunay at wagas ang pag-ibig na nadarama. Sana ay pagbigyan ng aking na magpakailanman ika'y maging akin.
At yon ang album launch ni Ogie Alcacid. Kaya para dun sa mga Ogie Alcacid fans at sa Pinoy music fans, bumili na kayo ng Ogie Alcacid Lumilipad album ng Viva Records. Thank you so much kay Ogie Alcacid at syempre sa Viva Records. At para naman dun sa mga music fans dyan, kita-kita tayong muli dito sa Sound Connections Pilipinas. Gising ka na ba?